Following the initial inspection, the mangoes are meticulously scanned for traceability before entering the pre-wash chamber.
After washing, the mangoes are carefully inspected by hand. Any damaged fruit is removed before the approved batch. To maintain peak freshness, our mango pulp is immediately stored in cold rooms precisely set at 4 degrees Celsius.
With the final pallet loaded and secured, the mango pulp is ready for shipment, completing the process from fresh fruit to export. With the loading complete, the engines roar to life, and the export journey of the mango pulp officially begins.
Once processed, the mango pulp is carefully loaded into refrigerated containers for its journey across the ocean to international markets.
After weeks at sea, the shipment of mango pulp arrives at the destination port, ready for the final stage of its journey. The large shipping containers carrying the mango pulp are carefully transferred to waiting trucks for the next phase, customs inspection.
Scan complete. The seal is verified as original.
Good. You can release the container for transport.
Here we see the forklift moving the mango pulp drums. Next, quality control begins their inspection.
Once processed, the mango pulp is carefully loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ensuring freshness for export to wholesalers.
From the factory floor to the supermarket shelf, our premium mango beverage is ready for customers worldwide.
All right, here's your mango drink. The total is 425.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
From fresh mango to export pulp, our complete process begins with sustainable sourcing, as shown here in South Asia and Central America.
Look at the color on this one. Make sure it goes into the export pile.
Absolutely beautiful. We are handling them with care. Batch 23 is complete. Get this to washing.
Understood. Moving it now.
The process begins with freshly harvested mangoes being carefully loaded onto the conveyor system, destined for the washing line.
The high-temperature sterilizer prepares the pulp for the final filling stage, ensuring quality for export.
The vibrant mango pulp flows rapidly into the sterile packaging. The automated system ensures precise filling before...
Our automated system ensures every export quality label is precisely applied before the sealed drums are moved for final dispatch.